everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add voiceover in Google Vids. So in today's video, I'll guide you through how to add a voiceover in Google Vids. This is perfect if you want to make your videos more engaging, whether it's for tutorials, presentations, or content creation. Now to get started, open your project in Google Vids. Now once you're inside the editor, look at the top right corner of the screen and you should see the voiceover option just below the avatar option. So go ahead and click on that. Now, after clicking voiceover, you'll be asked to enter your script. So up here you have current scene and all scenes. So let's click on current scene. So below, this is where you type the text that will be converted into audio. So I already pasted mine right here. You can write something simple like welcome to my tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And take your time here and make sure your script sounds natural. Once done, just below that, you'll see an option to change the voice. So Google Vids gives you different voice styles. So tap on this change right here and you'll see different options for different voice styles like narrator, educator, teacher, you have explainer, motivator, coach, persuader, etc. So you can click on each one to preview how it sounds. So let's try that. Click on the play button.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers will respond to your video. It should fit your video's purpose and style.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers will respond to your video. It should fit your video's purpose and style.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers will respond to your video. It should fit your video's purpose and style.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers will respond.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers will.
So make sure to pick the one that best matches your video style. So for example, if you're doing a tutorial, the explainer voice is usually a great choice. So I'm gonna choose explainer and click on select. So before adding it to your video, make sure you listen to the preview. So this helps you check if the tone sounds right, the pacing is good, and the voice matches your content. So if you're not satisfied, you can always switch to a different voice. Now, once you're happy with everything, click insert voiceover and your voiceover will automatically be added to your video timeline. And just like that. So after inserting, play your video to hear the voiceover. Make sure it matches your visuals, adjust the timing if needed. You can always go back and edit your script or change the voice if something feels off. So let's preview it again. Click the play button.
Everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome Smile. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to add a voiceover in Google Vids. This is perfect if you want to make your videos more engaging, whether it's for...
So after that, you can always edit your script right here. And that's basically it. You've successfully added a voiceover in Google Vids. Thanks for watching.